afternoon, everyone. I'm Ola.
And I'm Maria Gianina. Welcome to today's news. You are watching Star 3 News.
We are in the rainy season, where heavy rainfall has caused flooding in many areas.
Floods have disrupted daily activities and increased the risk of health problem for many people.
Therefore, it is important for us to know how to stay healthy during this situation.
First, always maintain good personal hygiene. Wash your hands regularly with soap and clean water, especially after being outside or near flood water.
Second, make sure the food and drinking water you consume are clean and safe. Avoid food that has been exposed to flood water.
Another important step is preventing floods by keeping our environment clean.
Proper waste disposal is one of the main causes of flooding.
We should throw garbage in the trash bin and never into rivers, drains, or streets, as this can block water flow and cause floods.
By disposing waste properly, we can reduce flood. By disposing of waste properly, we can reduce flooding and protect our environment.
We should stay healthy and keep our surroundings clean during the rainy season.
Thank you for watching.
Stay safe